So off the back of the last video, I've now actually managed to do a little bit of prep work in readiness for this day. So I've got the brace bar that sits inside the bus in primer. Also managed to weld up 2 of its existing plug holes and re-punch new ones, just because my spot weld drill actually went through the side panel of the bus. So new locations for those are in order. And I've also pour 15'd the inside of all the new panels that are going to be going on, all the bits that you won't see, so it won't rust out in the future. Also, everything within that inner seal has been pour 15'd once again, second coat. Just getting this side panel all aligned now, trying to get it into a place where it's got to be. I've punched the holes for the plug wells at the bottom of the sill. It's looking pretty straight, not too bad, but when I do push in at the bottom, it obviously pushes the panel out and the gap increases. So I'm thinking I've got to weld this gap up first and then pay attention to pushing the bottom section in. I'm using these Clico panel pins now, made of a thin copper, just because I was using these panel pins originally, which are fine. I mean, you can just screw them in by hand, but upon welding, the heat obviously starts melting the plastic there. So that's that brace bar now put back in place. I'm still yet to weld it up, but looking pretty straight, and it's looks like it's given the side panel a little bit more shape. Not sure if you'll be able to now see the difference on the camera that brace bar has made to the side panel there, but I think it's made quite a big difference. Almost ready for the welding stages now. Just got to scrape away little bits of paint where the panels are going to join together. Got to clean the reverse side of this edge up along here. Just done a little bit more trimming to both edges of this panel, just to get it a little bit more flush. And what I've done also was to weld on the reverse side of this panel, because it was coming away. It was coming away from this B pillar section, so that's welded on the reverse side, and obviously I'll tidy that up with some seam sealer, and I'll get some body filler, a little skim of that on there as well. You can see the penetration marks. Got a little nipple hanging out there, look. You can see the penetration marks of that brace bar where it's gone in, and that hole's got to be filled also. That's where my spot weld cutter went through the panel. But nearly there. I'll just tidy up a little bit more and then crack out that welder. Nearly forgot to do a job as well. I'm using this U-pole tiger seal, and I'm going to seam seal all the way underneath there. On this replacement panel for the side of the bus, I actually need 3 drainage gullies along its lip, just like this one. Just need to form those in the edge. I've done one already. Doesn't come out too bad. That's all you need, just a little way for the water to get out. And what I've done was I just opened up the vise to the correct width and then hit it with a hammer.